How to fix Samsung Z Flip 3 no sound problem. Hello friends, hope so all are doing well, and in this video, as I already told you, we are going to fix Samsung Z Flip 3 no sound problem. So just watch video carefully and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 no sound problem.